again.
Yo, yo. That's actually the chart I'm looking at. Looking at that BNB chart. Price discovery, fam. Yes, we did talk about it. Excuse me. I just had like a sneeze attack. Whoa. Hot chewy. Not hot chewy, hot chewy. Yeah, BNB is just getting going, fam. I mean, at this point, you can just use the 5-minute trend. Look at this, right? This 5-minute trend won't get lost for a while. Like, won't get lost for a while. So what will happen is they'll pull it back. They'll tap the 21 EMA. That will be a buy the first time it gets touched. Second time the yellow gets touched, it won't be a buy. It will actually go down here, probably the 50 MA. But until these start compressing, this is just the 5-minute. Let's check the 3-minute. The 3-minute trend, fam, is bullish too. Why wouldn't it continue to be bullish, fam? We're in price discovery for BNB. We talked about this. Talked about it on Friday. Just said how bullish it looked. It was a cup and handle. 1 second. All right. So it was it's a cup and handle, I believe, on the monthly chart. I mean, it's clean as it could be. Great play right there. If you had played it with me, I did buy some spot. Definitely did not buy enough spot, but this one ripped, ripped big time. I'm pretty sure. Hold on, I got some private clients in the DMs. I'm pretty sure I told them to buy the BNB. Buy BNB. It's going to pop almost immediately next month. Few days max. Saturday at 9:25 a.m. It says buy BNB. It's going to pop almost immediately next month. Few days max. Yes. Well, listen. Fam, it's actually still early. This is in price discovery, baby. Well, let's just say the minimum target's probably about $1,500, $1,600. Continuing, assuming this bull run continues as it should. I don't think we're gonna deviate, you know. And I think there's a lot other good plays out there. Let's get to Solana. Obviously, we had the Solana ETF news. I saw that. We're back over that monthly open, fam. That's just huge bullish. Talked about that monthly open on the Twitter. As long as we hold open 237, 238, it's going to be bullish. Gotta love BNB Solana here. Obviously, there's a bunch of unlocks in a month, so could it be bullish here? And then wow, this is that's right. Let's do the 4-hour here. Yep, we got a breakout. 4-hour cross probably coming. So all good things, fam. All good things. We got Solana popping off. Jupe obviously popping off. Jupe's getting to that resistance too. Jupe, fam, this is you know, obviously like Aptos and all those others. Aptos is over resistance for the most part. It looks like we got Jupe that's working its way over resistance right now, following the Solana play right there. Any pullback on these coins, as long as Bitcoin holds. Now let's get to Bitcoin, fam. This daily pennant. We talked about this daily pennant on Friday. Had you watched my stream and or VOD, I get it. Not everybody is going to be able to watch these graveyard shifts, fam. I do the graveyard shifts. This is when I am the most exciting. I am a very disciplined person. Spend a lot of time at the gym, working on myself, and so and a lot of time with my family. And I just don't have the time in the morning and or midday to do the stream. So we do the graveyard shifts, fam. But had you watched the VOD from Friday, we talked about this daily pennant. Here's the 4-hour look. We'll get rid of this. We're very bullish here. We never lost the 4-hour trend. Actually, in fact, we never lost the 8-hour. They wanted, had they been bearish here, they would have crossed this. This 8-hour is bullish. So obviously, Bitcoin going up. We longed the lows this morning. Why did I long those lows? It's the golden pocket retracement. So low to high, just draw your fibs right there. Got the golden pocket right there, 61866. Dropped right in that 93.5K area. And I even said it right before the New York Open. I said they'll give you one more chance at 93.5. Of course it did. That could have been your long. They chopped all day. It wasn't anything to be bearish about. That was actually a really good wick. All you had to see was that 8-hour doji, beautiful green doji bottom. That was the tail. And then we obviously, the next 8 hours of the day, last 8 hours of yesterday, we did a lot of chopping. But right now, Bitcoin's moving, a little resistance right there. But it should make a nice, strong move, in my opinion, to 90, 97, 98K. From which point, fam, I will be shorting again. I will likely short again. See something like this, could totally see a rejection here, come back down. This is an easy invalidation, either this wick or this wick. You could, depending on your risk management right there, for the short thesis. And or if you just simply use this one, I would say if you're trading above this line right here, and or above the golden pocket. Let's see what that looks like right here. Yeah, we're getting there close. So trade above the golden pocket. Both are great ideas to trade for Bitcoin. Maybe looking for longs, but until excuse me, until we see, so we got kind of two ideas here: golden pocket, and or consolidation here. That would be your moves for higher. Okay, so simply these would be like look for longs right here with your validations down here. But the short thesis would be, again, filling out this daily pennant. Very good for alts for a while, which we're totally okay with, fam. BNB, again, in price discovery. Don't fade this. It's going to keep going, fam. It's just, look at this. Again, we're talking about that 5-minute trend. Let's go to Aptos, all right? Aptos is there's nothing wrong with Aptos. I mean, look at this. This is a beaut. We got the 2-day coming in close. And this is what I want you all to see, okay? So we had that 2-day close here on Aptos. And you see how they have, now it could be some bearish divergence. But that's not the case. Yeah, a little bearish divergence here. So we have to continue. But I would like to see this kind of 2-day fair value gap filled in some capacity. It's getting there, that's for sure. But want to see Aptos just a little bit higher, at least get up to that 1660, 1630 resistance. We'll see if we can get there, but we are expanding up for the most part. It looks really good. We have 5-day, looks really good here. And even more so, this is the chart to watch, fam. How bullish this is, I cannot express enough. We have 48 hours left in this 5-day candle. We have a 5-day bullish cross, price action well above it. Meme line fan that wants to just get blasted. It's had 1, 2 test wicks here, fam. 2 test wicks, 1, 2 right here of that meme line. I just want to, it wants to get crushed. We got the 5-day cross right here. This is bullish. And if you guys don't know, all right, and I have no problem sharing this, but the 21 EMA is my slow, my faster one, and my slower moving average is the 50 MA. So I use the 21 EMA, that's my fast, and the 50 MA, that's my slow for my crosses. It works really, really well. But yeah, I could see Aptos is going to pop against Bitcoin really any day now. And if it does make a run, something similar to BNB, Ondo, we'll get to Ondo here in a second. I talked about Ondo, I think first back to stream momentarily. one I'll continue to watch. But I do think we're gonna run these highs on Aptos, so $18 to $20 minimum. It's all there in the charts, fam. It's gonna be in the next 24 to 48 hours. That's what it's gonna be. Do you long here? Nah, I wouldn't say long here, but I did give you a really, really good BNB long right here. We talked about this 1 hour fair value gap. It actually played very, very well. Unfortunately, after talking about this on Friday night, and I wanted to play the long. I really wanted to play this long. Look at this. Look at this price action. First off, how important this order block is. 1 hour order block with fair value gap. Okay, we hit it one time, two times, three times, wick down. That was grab your long stops and just took off. That was today, right? Yep. Today. Should have had my alarm set, but I did not set my alarms after talking about the stream. Would have been a great long so far. But this is one I did not get in on. But if you took it, I congratulate you, because this was a 23% move, throwing like a little bit of leverage there, 5-10x. Woo, that could have been a juicer. But either way, again, I think BNB continues to run. Probably going to see something like, let's see. I don't know how to measure these large cup and handles out, but this is I think what the cup size, I believe it is. I think that's what you gotta. I think that's gonna line up perfectly. So yeah, I mean BNB. If we continue through this bull run, BNB is gonna hit 1600 for sure. For sure. What a beaut. Now we're just looking for the next runner. Really, is it gonna be Pepe? Pepe over the monthly again. I gave you guys that Pepe a couple weeks ago. From the lows, 12. It's doubled. It doubled. It doubled. From the lows, Pepe. 4 hour has some nice structure here. Isn't quite ready to go. Let's say Pepe Bitcoin. Pepe's not really ready to go yet. Yeah. I mean, they could spend another 15 to 20 days just chopping here, barely climbing up. Very similar to what they did to Aptos. Look at this Aptos. While you guys have been waiting, we had that explosive move when I gave you that trade from the lows, 5-10 days. And then you had 15, 20 days of chop. Even today, coming down to that 1290 was incredible. That was a great entry. I saw a couple of you guys got that long entry on Aptos today, which was in the Discord. That's clutch. I mean, everything looks really, really good. Hey, Isabel, how are you? Everything really looks good. What's up, Bar Citrus? Rianne, how are you? But everything looks really good. It's about, like, if you're gonna take a leverage trade, right? It's about finding the next one that pop. I knew BNB was gonna pop. I'm kind of bitter and pissed. And look at this. It's just gonna continue to go. Price discovery. It's one of those that you're not gonna get a long pullback. It's just gonna continue to go. Any pullback like this, I'm talking, this is the 3-minute chart, fam. At the start of the day today, we had this pullback. Wow. Yeah, it's going to continue to go. This is going to go. I'll probably wake up to BNB above $800. Closer to $900. I mean, it's going to be incredible. All right, let's get to undo. So I think Aptos could do like an undo type of situation. Undo now in price discovery. All right, very similar. Yo, Noel, thank you for that follow. Very similar to BNB, obviously. Price discovery. Low volatility here. Could come down. Could be a deviation. Need to keep going for undo here. I don't like this volatility on the daily. Need to keep going. But obviously, you like to see that strength. Not one you want to leverage long up here. Maybe start looking for a short. I think XRP, I missed it like 275. Really has XRP has a really good short opportunity. I think it'll take a minute, but XRP. Yep. 15-minute trend is bullish. Bearish 30-minute. Oh, interesting. All right, so XRP loses the 1 hour right here. The 1 hour crosses. We continue to have price action below it. Could be a good short opportunity. We'll be looking to fill. Wow, they had a good buying here. Yeah, I'd be looking to fill up here. XRP did not close with a higher. Let's talk about XRP for a second. Okay, let's talk about XRP for a second. Sorry, I got quiet there for a second. All right, XRP is a very interesting one. All right, is it going to $10? I don't think so. I just don't think so. But where did that monthly close? Right? Did that monthly close higher than other previous monthly closes? No, it did not. Okay. The high here, the close, sorry, was a 199. They closed this at 195. That 4 cents, fam, that's a difference, a huge difference. So what could they do here? They could wick it up here and send it back down the rest of the month. But I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying they could. Got a nice little daily doji here. We're cooked on RSI. Let me see this RSI here. Yeah, we're cooked on RSI. Almost bearish divergence at this point. Going sideways here on RSI. Actually, it looks like a flag. A little bit like a flag. So, not the worst. But I would be looking for something like, here's the 1 hour. All right. Let's see if they save this 1 hour first. But grab that liquidity up there. I'm telling you right now, grab this liquidity at $3, $2.95, $3. Then come back down here. It's going to be interesting to see if Bitcoin continues. Man, we got some time. Got some time on Bitcoin. It's going to be interesting. Anyways, if you're looking for like some XRP short, I would love to see. There's going to be a retest down here. I'd love to see this retested. It's a little sideways action. This isn't too much to ask for. Grab this one, get a pullback on Bitcoin. What kind of pullback am I talking about? Well, this is, again, we called this. We called this, fam. Called this perfectly. We talked about it on stream Friday. I said we're going to come down here and touch this bottom of the pennant. All right. So let's. Had you missed the beginning of the stream, go watch the beginning of the stream. That's where all these notes are coming from, fam. All right. All right, so retested the golden pocket. Not retested, but tested the golden pocket here. Bounced that. That was the long this morning. Kind of a pennant situation here. Now, this is deja vu, fam. Okay? Because we had a pennant here. You guys remember? And I remember in April, all the clowns calling this a bull flag. And let me just tell you, pennants are not bull flags. Okay? Here it is. Very similar price action. Okay? Look where we are now. Even smaller. Thank goodness it looks smaller. Thank goodness this looks smaller. Now, this is what I could see happening. I could completely, all right? So we're going to either have, this, just like last time, and then kind of fill this out, and then work our way higher. Not exact, right? This isn't exact. And maybe come down here. Could easily have, right? Still here. Come down here, much lower. Take out all this liquidity. Spend a little time down here. And then send higher. Right? But I don't want to see, I really don't want to see this lost. Okay? This is kind of our spot for the bull run. Bull run has to continue above here. Cannot run out of gas, fam, below this box. Because if it does, it's over. It really is over. Okay? And what the kind of situation we're talking about is you have some macro move like this. Let's go to weekly. 2 week will be good. All right, lose that box. Right? It has to be pretty dramatic. Right? So we lose 80K, we'll call it. Come up here. Back to 93, 95K. And then it's likely over. All right. So this is a 2 week scenario. So we're talking like months away. We'll get a lot more clarity after December is after December closes. But right now, fam, so you have certain alts like Solana. Okay. Let's look at Solana right now. 239.53. It's running. We have certain alts like Solana, right? With news. We have BNB, price discovery. We got Aptos with that 5-day cross. It's inevitable, fam. It's inevitable. If you could catch a long on Aptos to $18, $20, you should definitely try to do that. You could get another dirty pullback by Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin, fam, I'm not sure if you realize this, but Bitcoin is not a green monthly candle. Okay? In fact, we're still holding under the monthly open here. All right, we had a little 1 hour rejection here. Okay, a little 1 hour rejection. Still in this kind of pennant compression. Got the 1 hour cross. That's good for Bitcoin. But regardless, we're under that monthly open for Bitcoin. And if you go over to, let's say, again, this is just the monthly chart. Over here to, all right, let's go through. Get rid of the drawings and the indicators. Oh, all right. Here's Bitcoin's monthly. Okay. Here's Jupe's monthly. All right, right here. You guys paying attention? Jupe's monthly. Another cup. Another cup possibly forming right here. All right. Solana's monthly. All right. Solana's monthly. Everyone see this? BNB's monthly. Are you guys paying attention? XRP's monthly. Not as bullish on XRP, I'm telling you, right? Up here, I'm not as bullish, fan. You could easily have a Solana type pullback. All right. Pepe's monthly. Bonk's monthly. All right. So these are the things you need to pay attention to, fam. These are the things you need to pay attention to. Bonk isn't as bullish. Even Bitcoin's not as bullish as Solana or Jupe or Tel. Tel has a little pullback. Tel. This is the sleeper, fam. This is the sleeper. What is that trade? Never gave that trade, fam. On spot, yeah. Tel is the sleeper, fam. Not only are we going to run it back to 1 cent, we're talking like this is a fucking 10 to 20 center. 16 cents, fam. 16 cents. Tel. One day we will talk about 16-cent Tel. Tia's monthly. Aptos is monthly. It's funny. People were like, Aptos. When's it going to run? Its monthly looks great. We're holding above the monthly. Phil. Undo. Great monthly there on Undo. Plenty of time to keep going. All right. Inge. Good monthly. Easily. Inge is going to run to 36. We got so much talent right now. Ugh. Let's look at Sue. Sue's monthly. Wow. Let's check out this chart. Let's check out Sue Doggy. Made a run here. Is this the highs, Sue? Okay. This is the highs. Daily. Ooh. Ooh. We have absorption on this daily. Sue's going to run. Sue is going to run. Let's see here. What are they going to do here? 1 hour, 30-minute. Five. Little sneak attack here. It's actually a good spot for Sue. Huh. It looks like support to me on Sue right here. Like this looks like a good long. Not gonna lie, this really looks like a good long. Solana's running. It's coming, baby. Coming for those highs. For the overall structure here. Anyways, fam, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for coming by. Mad love. On RVN, BRE. I'll look up. I'll do two requests. RVN. I go to the monthly. Looks great. Has a little bit. It has a little more time. And in fact, I don't really like this. I'll tell you right. It's got a lot of room to do this and then take off. I mean, we got a lot more time here on RVN. And then the other one for, what is that, Veracity? Yeah. A little bit better, right? A little bit better. Working its way back. But these aren't as great as like some of the other opportunities. I mean, they're all, this could be, everything could possibly rotate. We can keep rotating. Everything could pop off. We could all win. You only win if you collect profit, fam. You only win if you take profit. Don't think about what if. Oh, if I had held on to this. Dude, if you made money, move on to the next trade. And I'll tell you what, when the time comes to short this market, you can make a lot of money using the red button and shorting with a little bit of leverage. You don't need a lot of leverage. You can use Coinbase. You can use anything. Like, there's a lot of low leverage opportunities out there. You want to use a little bit more juice? You can use a little more juice. Use it with me on Blowfin. Like, honestly, fam, you got the red button in the bear market is a fucking blessing. A blessing. Mad love, fam. I appreciate all you. Wow. You guys see that? The fuck just happened? Solana just got slapped the fuck down. Big time. Just watch your 5-minute trends, fam. BNB. What did we talk about, BNB? I said, first time yellow, it should be a long. It should be a long here. This should be a long on BNB. Okay. But if you wanted to be like, play it really, really tight, come down here and put like the stop below that. Oh. All right, if you want to play it tight, it's this move right here. Run to 810. This looks good. I'm telling you right now, this is fucking. First time you hit the yellow, the 21 EMA and the 5-minute, the long, I'm telling you, fam. First time. Second time, it's not a long. It's usually the blue line. Wouldn't mind chopping here. Wouldn't mind pull back to 729 a wick. 720s. Woo! All right, fam. Mad love. I'll see y'all Thursday night. I think they're, look, just watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pulling back. It's going to fucking send some alts back. Get a dirty wick. Bitcoin's not probably, in my opinion, Bitcoin is not going to lose this range for a while, fam. We're going to be going on this range probably till my birthday. And I'll tell you what, fam, as a person that has his birthday on the exact, actually, I lie. The day we broke 20K was my birthday in 2020. Day we broke 20K. So on my birthday this year, could be the day we break out from this pennant, continue to go up. It could be that day. Also could be a day we go up, reject, and go lower. But you did this, got like 8 days. December 12th. December 12th, fam. Okay? Chop. Don't get caught up. Beautiful setup right here. You're just going to get absorbed right here on Bitcoin. They're going to absorb it. There's really no move here. There's no move here. This is going to be, we're probably going to end green. today. Some green, flat, tiny little thing. We may make a red candle down here, and then the next one's a long. It don't matter. We're still scalping longs down here, and we're still scalping shorts up here. All right, on Bitcoin at least. The alts are another story. You gotta wait for Bitcoin to do its thing and then catch them, nip them in the butt.